What is true beauty? We found the answer in a healthy lifestyle expressed through beautiful skin. At Genic, we constantly pursue this belief and strive to develop the most advanced methods to maintain skin at its healthiest and most beautiful state. Understanding the unique needs of different skin types was the key in developing products that could address countless skin concerns. Next was searching for botanicals across the world and identifying the most effective ingredients to achieve beautiful, healthy skin. Genic's Smart Factory system combines years of industry knowledge with state-of-the-art facilities to produce the very best in skincare. Genic has been reborn as a genuine cosmetology partner, offering top-quality products through these advanced R&D technologies and differentiated production systems. Combining our years of research with the latest technology, Genic became the very first to develop a revolutionary nutrient delivery system across all skin types, the Hydrogel mask. Genic's water-soluble biomatrix hugs the face and acts as a blanket, imparting a one-way surge of potent active ingredients like collagen and Q10 enzymes. It protects the face from rapid evaporation and loss of moisture. This patented hydrogel is also uniquely temperature sensitive, allowing for deeper penetration of active ingredients. Healthy skin is the key to a beautiful life. Whatever your skin type, wherever you are in the world, Genic has a formula for you. Genuine cosmetology partner, Genic.